Welcome back to Science Simplified. Today we're diving into the smallest, lightest, and most abundant element in the entire universe: hydrogen. Hydrogen, element number 1 on the periodic table. From fueling the stars above us to powering the clean energy technologies of the future, hydrogen is much more than just number 1 on the periodic table. It's the building block of everything. Meet hydrogen, meet hydrogen. Hydrogen's symbol is H, and its atomic number is 1. That means every hydrogen atom has 1 proton and 1 electron. It's as simple as atoms get. It's also the most common element in the universe, making up around 75% of all matter. Every star, including our sun, is basically a giant ball of hydrogen gas. The name hydrogen comes from Greek words meaning water former, because when it burns, it reacts with oxygen to make water. H2 plus O2, H2O. Hydrogen's forms. Hydrogen isn't always the same. It comes in 3 natural forms or isotopes. 3 hydrogen atoms side by side. Protium, 1H, 1 proton, 0 neutrons, the most common. Deuterium, 2H, 1 proton, 1 neutron, used in nuclear research and heavy water. Tritium, 3H, 1 proton, 2 neutrons, radioactive and used in glow lights and fusion experiments. These tiny differences make hydrogen incredibly useful, from science labs to space exploration. Hydrogen in the universe. Now let's zoom out, way out, to the stars. On screen, animation of stars fusing atoms. In the hearts of stars, hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium, a process called nuclear fusion. That fusion releases massive amounts of energy, which is what makes stars shine. So yes, the sunlight you see every day is literally powered by hydrogen atoms combining deep inside the sun. Hydrogen on Earth. Even here on Earth, hydrogen plays a vital role. You'll find it in water, H2O, organic molecules, and even in your own body. Every cell you have contains hydrogen atoms. And because it's light and burns cleanly, hydrogen is being used as a future fuel. Hydrogen fuel cells combine hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity, and the only waste product is, you guessed it, pure water. Hydrogen fuel, electricity plus water vapor. Dangers and challenges. But hydrogen isn't perfect. It's highly flammable. Remember the Hindenburg disaster in 1937? A massive airship filled with hydrogen caught fire during landing. That tragedy reminded scientists just how careful we need to be when handling this element. Today, strict safety systems make hydrogen fuel use much safer, but the memory still teaches an important lesson. Science always requires respect and responsibility. The future of hydrogen may be small, but it has huge potential. Scientists are now developing hydrogen-powered cars, airplanes, and even rockets, aiming for a future where energy is clean, efficient, and sustainable. This tiny atom that lights the stars could one day power our entire planet. So next time you drink a glass of water, look up at the stars, or plug in an electric car. Remember, hydrogen is part of it all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the first element, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Science Simplified, and tell us in the comments, which element should we explore next?